Good morning from a very windy Aberdeen, where I am staying at the Aloft. So I have actually stayed last night. This is the next morning. I couldn't do a video last night, I was very tired. I am here for the Aberdeen Comic Con, the Scotland Aberdeen Comic Con, and I'm staying here. But join me in this video, which I'm going to show you around some of the hotel and do a room tour. My room is just there. So let's go have a look around. There we go, I am in the room. Like I say, I am here for the Scotland Aberdeen Comic Con. First time I have been to this Comic Con, and I can't remember the last time I was in Aberdeen, to be honest. It's been a very long time since I've been to Aberdeen, so I'm here. I am staying in the Aloft Hotel. I think it's by Marriott Hotel, so it's the Aloft Aberdeen TECA, T-E-C-A. It comes under, that's what I'm staying at. It's under like a 3-star hotel, they're saying, but to me, yeah, it's so far, it's more than that. It feels like it's more than that, I'll be honest. It's very good service, that's what counts for me. It's very clean, and I stayed last night, I'm staying tonight, and I'm going back to home tomorrow. So today I'm at the Comic Con, gonna have an awesome day there, so check that video out if you wish, and let's have a look around the room and all the information I'll leave down below in the description box, like address and stuff like that. But let's have a look. So, this is going to be a room tour. I'll give you a general overview. So there's the hotel room door, main door into the room. The bathroom and everything else is in there, or shower room. And this is an overview of the bed side of the room, the bed and everything else. So we'll have a look at the view in a moment, and we'll break things down. But to mix things up a bit, let's start. So there's the front door, and there is the shower room, storage. Let's have a look at the storage first of all. So a lot of storage, a lot of hanging space. You can store some things up there, slide this across, and that opens up. You've got drawers, 2 drawers, the safe, tea and coffee making facilities. There's a double socket at the back there. Real mugs, glasses, spare towels. Over here, would you have a look at the sink area? And over in the sink area, very nice sink. Very nice taps, or tap, say taps. I seen two there, I said taps. Yeah, very nice and modern. You've got the kind of work space here, and then the sink, the bin, don't forget the bin. And you have the soaps and body lotion. And here I found unusual, you've got a single socket, here's your shaving points, light switches. So unusual just being the socket right there. Here's the mirror, it's the door, it slides across, it gives you the mirror, and you've got me. Hey! Don't want to see me. And then toilets hiding behind that door. Towels up there. Shower is a fantastic shower. I used the shower yesterday. Amazing shower. Forget about the kind of small little cap that's fell off, that doesn't really do anything anyway, but the shower, amazing shower. Got a rainfall shower and your normal shower, you can take off, handheld. Two options there. Reminds me of the Hotel. Was one of the favourite showers that I had. I know it sounds weird saying favourite shower, but a good shower can be important. Better than a bad one. Over here, got your shampoo. It's by a company called Dry Bar. So it's the first for me for seeing that. I don't think I've seen that before. There's a shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. But like I say, very nice shower. You've got this natural daylight screen coming through, and that's facing, I'll show you that in a moment when we go back into the bed side of the room. That screen idea. Oh, that's me walking into the door. So we head into the bedroom. You've got a single socket there, control your heating there. You've got the desk you can work at, so a separate table, desk, the chair, the phone, the lamp, charging points, bin, and there's a fridge. Massive bonus. Always having a fridge, I think, in my opinion. Said it a few times because I have done a lot of hotel videos. So yeah, I've stayed in a lot of hotels, and one thing that lets down a lot of hotels is the lack of fridge. So you want to bring your own stuff or go out, away from the hotel, buy things, put it in the fridge. Yeah, all hotels should have fridges. Just saying that, putting it out there. So, bed, great sleep last night. Charging point, so I'm charging my phone right now. It's 2 USB points. Lights, can control the main lights, which leaves the lights above the bed or the headboard on. Which I found unique is you can turn that light, just one light, off on this side, and then that light off on that side. So it's controlled individually, which is cool. It's a good idea. Back over here just quickly, there's the charging points. You have the desk area, the view of the car park. Inside the fridge, since I'm here, it's not a bad bad size of fridge, to be honest, but it's a fridge. This snazzy looking chair. So yeah, the bin, don't forget the bin. TV, good TV, great selection of TV channels. You've got this bench idea, so I believe you can maybe sit down or unpack there, or sit down and change your shoes and stuff like that. Another window, which is nice. Same view. Same weather, so if you can see that weather. It's been horrible lately. And this is this side, so I don't know if you can just see it. So that side, you don't have this thing here, you don't have this hole to put cables through, so you can plug something in there, pass the cable through and whatnot. But you also do have a charging point above, USB points, same light switch idea, and there's the screen that I was saying about the shower. Oh, and there's the... I nearly missed this, nearly missed it. There is the iron board, and the iron just hiding in another area here that you can store clothes and whatnot. Saying that hairdryer, where's the hairdryer? Where is the hairdryer? Not that I need to use it, I know what you're all thinking. Hairdryer in one of these drawers, I think. There you go. Yeah, safe. Not a bad size. But that's really it. I can't really, well, not I can't, there's nothing really else to show. That's it. That's all I can see, I think. I'm trying to make sure, I mean I like the decor, I like the kind of wooden panel. See the wooden panel goes all the way along, up and down. The colours, the wallpaper, even the blinds. There's a lot going on. I like the decor, like the headboard, like this detail here. It's like separate little compartments, but it's not separate, it feels open. It's a nice big space. So I do like this. First impression as soon as I walked in went, I like this, and like I say, I've stayed in a lot of hotels, a lot of hotel rooms, but that's really it. I'm going to end the video there. Hopefully you found it useful if you're staying here or using this hotel or staying nearby. I will put a clip in just now to help to show you how close it is from the P&G Live. It's right next to it. So you do have the Hilton, which is basically attached to the P&G Live event arena, but this is right next door. It's got two exit and entrances for this hotel. The front of the car park, and you can go through the hotel back facing and walk into the arena. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, that clip which I just put in, hopefully if I remembered, will show you how close it is. It's very, very close. But that's it. Hopefully you have enjoyed watching this video. You know what to do. Hit subscribe, check out all my videos. I've got loads of stuff from Disney Cruises, Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, Comic Cons, adventures, general stuff in Glasgow, Scotland, that kind of stuff. Yeah, check it out if you wish, and yeah, hope you're all well, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, bye bye.